Okay, today we're going to look at solving one-step equations. I have an equation here that is x plus 5 equals 18 and 93/100. The object of the game when you're solving equations is to get the variable by itself, to isolate the variable. So we have to move everything away from the variable or undo what's happening. Right now we have a plus 5 happening to our x, so I'm going to do a minus 5 so that it will eliminate that, or it'll get rid of that plus 5 next to that. Plus 5 minus 5 makes 0, so it goes away. I bring down my x. You're going to notice that I also subtracted 5 from the other side of the equation. We have to keep our equations balanced, and whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So when I take 18 and 93/100 minus 5, I'm left with 13 and 93/100. You can check this by plugging this answer here back in for x. So if I go back to my original problem and I take 13 and 93/100 plus 5, if I, just like the original problem, plug that back in, it should equal 18 and 93/100, and it does. Let's take a look at another example. In this problem here, we have a minus 4 equals 97. And again, the object is to get this variable by itself. Right now, I have minus 4 attached to that a, so I have to get rid of that. I have to move that to the other side. So I'm going to do a plus 4. And remember, whatever I do to the left side of the equation, I also have to do to the right side. That balance of the equation is your equal sign. So that's what separates the left and right side of the equation. So minus 4 plus 4 cancels out and goes away. So I bring down my a. A equals, well, 97 plus 4 is going to give me 101. All right, so let's take a look at another one. Now we're going to move into a problem that has some multiplication. So here I have negative 4x equals 52. And again, the object is to get this variable by itself. Now when you have a negative 4, or if you have any number, any coefficient directly attached to a variable, we know that they're actually being multiplied together. So even though it doesn't say negative 4 times x, we know that what's happening here is multiplication. So in order to fix that, we have to use division. So we're going to divide both sides. That will cancel out because negative 4 divided by negative 4 makes 1. So x equals negative 13. 52 divided by negative 4 is going to give me negative 13. All right, one last problem to look at. Here we have y divided by 30 equals 26. So in this case, again, we're trying to move everything away from our variable. So this has a 30 that is it's being divided by 30. So to undo division, we have to multiply. So we're going to multiply both sides by 30. When we do that, it will cause those 30s to cancel out, and I will have y by itself. 26 times 30 is going to be 780. I hope this has been helpful for you in solving one-step equations.